welcome to the Linux tutorial. So today we start with the group management. So basically what is group? So group is a identity which represent more than one user, or it can be one user, and it has unique name and unique ID. Let's suppose we have a group name and its unique ID, and ID which is zero, or we can say the group having zero ID, that has most privileged group having most privileges, right? You can say this group represent the super users. Okay, in your operating system, the users having most privilege, that represent with the ID 0. Okay, and 0 to 999, these IDs are reserved for the system groups. Okay, whatever user you will create manually, that will get ID 1000 if it is a first user on your operating system. So after you add, all the information will lying or stored in a /etc/group directory. Okay, so as we studied in the directory structure, there is a directory etc that have all the configuration IDs, all the configuration related details, and the group detail or group information is also lying in under /etc in group directory. So, and the next thing is what we get if we try to access it, or we want to see the content of this particular directory, what it will show. Let's see. So what it represent? So this thing, this is a group name, Harpreet, right? It can be anything, whatever you want to give. This is a group name, okay, and this is a group ID, okay. It can be anything. If you want to add manually or like any particular ID, that we can do, we will see it later. And this particular area, this is the, we can say this is a member user area. Okay, the user which are members of that particular group, that will show in this area. I hope you understand. Okay, and whatever the user you will create, it will automatically create the group of that particular user's name, right? Okay, so let's start how to add the group. So group add is a command. With the help of you will add the user. Okay, so it will provide the ID to the group last ID plus 1. Suppose last ID was 1000. If you want to add the new group name, suppose prod, the ID it will give, system will give to this prod group is 1001. Okay, hope you understand the behavior of this group. Okay, so let's start add one group. So let's go to the practical session. Okay, so this is our Linux machine. So let's add one group add. Suppose we want to add group Chandigarh. Okay, let's first see. We will see what last group is lying in our etc group directory. Okay, tail -2/etc/group. So what this command will do? This command will display the last two entries of group directory, as the name suggests, last tail. That means last two entries. Let's see. So these are the last two entries. Okay. So last ID is 4003. So let's add one group. Group add Chandigarh. Okay, the group has been added. So let's see the. So last entry was 4003 and the group Chandigarh got ID is 4004. Hope you understand. And if you want to assign manually any unique ID to the group, then how we'll do that? We will simply add the hyphen G command or hyphen G option. Suppose I want to give the 4008 to the next group and prod. Let's name of the any name Mohali. Mohali is a username, and it will give 4008 ID to group Mohali. Let's see. Let's check. Look at this. 4008 and 4008 is having group ID of Mohali group, right? And if you want to change or do the modification in group, then the command will be group mod. Group mod. Suppose I want to change the group ID of this particular user Mohali. I want this 4010. Okay, and Mohali. But make sure one thing before assigning or changing the group ID to any group, make sure it should be available. Like it should not already assigned to any particular group. If it is free or available, then only it will assign or it will change to the group. So let's see. So let's check it. So the ID has been changed 4008 to 4010, right? Or if we want to change the group name, what we'll do, the command is group mod hyphen n and old group name Mohali and the new group name that is Shimla. Okay, just remember 4000 ID 4010 ID represent to group Mohali, but what now we are doing, we are changing the name of the group Mohali. The name will be Shimla. We are doing the modification in the group. So let's see. That does not exist. Sorry, my mistake. First you should enter the new name, then you should enter the old name. Okay, so let's cross check it. You can see the Shimla got 4010 user ID, which was earlier assigned to group Mohali. Okay, last thing, if you want delete any group, group tell and the name of web group name is Shimla, enter, and let's cross check it. This group Shimla does not exist right now in the system. So this was a group management. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Please like, share and subscribe us. Thanks for watching.